What's up, guys? It is me, Zaptown Jax for you guys. If you guys didn't know, these lovely birds. These are my birds, Kyle, Chloe. That one's a girl, boy. They have babies, and they actually just hatched. Not just, they hatched like yesterday. I can't really. Here, let me try to show from here. Do you see that? I can't really show, and we blocked this part off because they won't hatch. Here, I can show it. Oh, you see them up in their mouth? Hi guys. There's 3. Oh god. You want to eat the camera? Oh, 2 of them want to eat the camera. I feel bad for the 3rd one. They're crushing him. Hi guys. Alright. So yeah, that's one of the things that. Are you okay? That's one of the things I wanted to tell you guys. And I don't know why I'm in the bathroom. Yeah. The other thing is why I'm not uploading and where's my gaming videos. For my gaming videos, my PlayStation is broken. My hard drive is broken. And the hard drive, and as you know, people are asking me on Twitter. On Twitter to tell PlayStation to fix them for them, but I don't have the warrant, so I have to pay $100. Why paying $100 if you could just buy the hard drive itself for like $50 and opening this PlayStation, like the side, and the hard drive is right there. Just take it out and put the new one in. Why would you want to pay 50 more bucks? And it takes 2 weeks, and if you order it from Amazon, it probably takes like 1 week. So yeah, that's what I did. And Amazon texted us and saying it's gonna come tomorrow, for sure, like 100%. So probably tomorrow I'll be starting to make gaming videos. So yeah, that's the reason why. But hey, not lots of you guys love gaming videos. That's why I'm making challenges, because you guys love challenges. Like, not only challenges, but like vlogs and stuff. So yeah, that's what I was gonna tell you guys. And stay tuned for those gaming videos. They're gonna be epic. I'm gonna be playing with Michael Taz. Make sure to subscribe to him. Link will be in the description. I'm gonna be mostly playing with him. Alright, and yeah, that's it. Peace.